This is Tony.
This is Zelda. TandZRVLife. Are you coughing?
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be showing you the masks I'm making very soon so that you can see them. You can get them. Anyway, this is what we're talking about today. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't cough around people. Don't do that. It makes people very scared.
Yes, it does.
No, but my thing is this. I see all this stuff on TV about the germ, the virus.
Coronavirus, the hospitals with
The
the
hospitals,
patients all up
they
and down
clean
the...
them. I used to work in a hospital, and they didn't want to call me for nothing tragic because I looked like the spaceman. You know, I dressed up completely, gowned up, germs, whatever, I wasn't catching. But I don't see anyone cleaning, or they don't give no solutions about what they doing to counteract this germ. It's always, it's here.
The protective
It's taken
equipment,
over.
which is very important.
They don't have enough equipment to do anything, but yet you don't see them cleaning. They're not talking about what they're using to kill this germ or to slow this germ down. Isn't it some kind of chemical that they can use to spray?
To at least reduce some of the virus, you know, the truck virus. It could be droplet form, and possibly, I don't know, when they said a sneeze can go 27 feet. Wow. So, but just, you don't see them cleaning at all. No,
And they're
no
not
time.
talking
Not
about
even in
cleaning.
the background. When you see the patients or the hospitals, you don't see anyone working there cleaning. I'm used to seeing somebody. When I worked as a nurse, there was always someone on our floor. We always had housekeeping and to clean up. They were always cleaning. I don't see any of that.
Nothing. And I don't understand that in a sick area or a place that has germs, you don't see no kinds of petitions, no tents, no nothing made up. When I say tents, I mean like plastic. Is the whole hospital contaminated or what?
Yeah, it's kind of a weird thing for us.
I mean, if you work in the hospital field, you know they have things for all kinds of germs. If you don't have it, the head people get together and make something. But nobody's making anything to spray, to use. I mean, if you got a big fire, they use foam. You got little fire, they use water. Certain fires use different things. These certain germs, don't they have something in a bag of tricks they can pull out and start using?
I don't know. Because this is crazy. And we clean. I try to make sure I bleach down. I have my bleach water, that bottle that you saw on the thumbnail. I have it down, and I'm wiping down all the counters or anything that we touch. I'm wiping that down. I have my hand sanitizer that I've made, and I just made a batch this morning. Hold on, let me show you.
She's gonna get some, but don't cough.
So I just made up some more. This is peppermint again. I like peppermint. You can do lavender too.
Yeah, and this is her spray bottle.
Yeah, but I have these just in
Bleach and
case
water.
when I'm out. I have it in my pocket when I go out, and let me see. But you're right. We just don't see people cleaning. I don't see people cleaning at all. And I think, you know, you walk in here, it does smell like peppermint and bleach, and Lysol too. You know, when we just spray down the what is that? The nasal inhaler thingy that we have. Once I wash it off, I spray it and let it dry. But do you see anybody cleaning around in your areas that you are working in? Make sure they're cleaning.
That's all I have to say about that.
That's all I have to say about it.
I don't want to get in trouble for saying a whole lot more.
No. That was good. Okay, guys,
So,
we'll see you on the next video.
Stay
and
safe.
Stay safe.
Use your mask. And don't cough.
That ain't funny. Bye. Stop.
Don't cough.
Bye.
Bye.